This is how to make your Threads profile private. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store, look up Threads, and update and install the Threads app. Once you have it installed and ready to go, let's open it up. All right, once on your homepage, we're going to navigate over to a profile tab right here. And on here, we're going to go to the top right to those two lines. Here, we're going to go to privacy. And the very first option you see, my private profile is currently enabled. But for you, it might look like this. If it's grayed out like that, then that means your profile is currently public. If you'd like to make your profile private, just hit on that. It's going to say switch to a private profile. Only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. And if that's something that you'd like, go and press OK. That is how to make your Threads profile private.